Number 1. Whole eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest muscle-building foods on the planet. They provide a great combination of high-quality proteins and healthy fats. It's also very important to eat the whole egg, despite the old and incorrect myths about their links to heart disease. In fact, almost all of the beneficial nutrients in eggs are found in the yolk. As long as you do not have an intolerance to eggs, there is really no need to limit your egg consumption. You can easily eat 3 eggs per day if you want. Number 2. Milk. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. It provides a good balance of proteins, carbs and fats. It is also a good source of calcium as well as other vitamins and minerals. For those trying to add more muscle, milk is an excellent protein source that provides both casein and whey proteins. Research has been shown it can help you add muscle when combined with weightlifting. Number 3. Bananas. For quick on-the-go energy and weight gain help, grab a banana. They are high in potassium, carbohydrates and other important nutrients that give you energy and keep you healthy. But there are also more than 100 calories in a banana, so they can help you bulk up. Number 4. Dried fruits. Give yourself a quick calorie boost by eating a handful or 2 of dried fruits. They have less volume than their fresh counterparts, so that means 1/2 cup dried fruit has more calories than fresh. For example, 1 cup of raisins has 200 calories compared to a full cup of fresh grapes, which has about 60 calories. Raisins are probably the most popular dried fruits in your local grocery store, but you can also find dried berries, apricots, cranberries, and even tropical fruits. Number 5. Red meats. Steak, for example, contains around 3 grams of leucine per 6 ounces. Leucine is the key amino acid your body needs to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and add new muscle tissue. In addition to this, red meats are one of the best sources of dietary creatine, which is possibly the world's best muscle building supplement. They also have more calories and fat than linear meats, helping you take in extra calories and add weight. Number 6. Salmon and oily fish. Salmon and oily fish are excellent sources of protein and important healthy fats. Out of all the nutrients that salmon and oily fish provide, omega-3 fatty acids are among the most significant and well-known. Omega-3 fatty acids are very important, providing numerous benefits for your health and also fighting disease. Just 1 6-ounce, 170 gram fillet of salmon provides around 350 calories and 4 grams of omega-3 fats. It also provides 34 grams of high-quality protein, helping you build muscle or gain weight.